question is here. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer. Positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer, means wrong answer. Clear? In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. So now, if Jack scores in a 5 successive rounds where plus 25, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15 and plus 10. What is the question? What was his total score at the end? So you will find total score in a quiz. At the end, how much you will score? That you will find out. Clear? The question is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer, means wrong answer. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds where plus 25, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15 and plus 10, what was his total score at the end? So you have to find total score at the end of Jack's. Clear? So first you write how to find, you have to add all the scores, isn't it? So now write total score of Jack's at the end. So you can write Jack's total score at the end. At the end, clear? So now total score of Jack's at the end is, so he scored plus 25 and minus 5. So write minus 5 and next minus 10. Next minus plus 15 and plus 10. So you have to add all these marks. Clear? So plus 25, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15, plus 10. So now add all the marks. So plus 25, minus 5. First do the calculation like this. You can consider these two numbers first and similarly you can consider the extra two. Clear? So step by step. First these two are solved, then answer will get now that you can consider next 10. Okay? So we will do like this, plus 25 minus 5, plus 25 minus 5, see the sign, here sign is plus, here sign is a minus. So different sign, subtraction. So 25 minus 5, 25 minus 5 is 20, correct? So answer plus 20, plus 20. Greater number is 25, the sign is plus. So plus 20, clear? Next, minus 10 plus 15. Minus 10 plus 15. So answer will get minus 10 plus 15. Different sign, subtraction. So 15 minus 10 will get the 5. So greater number sign is plus. So 15 minus 10 answer plus 5. Now remaining plus 10 write as it is. Here plus 10. Now next steps here plus 20 plus 5. Plus 20 plus 5, same sign, plus plus same sign, addition, right? 20 plus 5 get 25. So add these two. 20 plus 5, 25. The remaining is plus 10. So next step you have to add plus 10. So 25 plus 10, that is 35. So greater number sign is plus, this sign is plus. So greater number is 25, that sign is plus. Clear? So what you have to do, you have to find total score of Jack's at the end. How much you will score at the end of the quiz. Same quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer. Plus 25, he got to score the correct answer and minus 5, that is for incorrect answer. So clear? In 5 successive rounds, he scored this much marks. Means plus 25 in first round, in second round minus 5, next minus 10, plus 15, plus 10. So you have to find total score. Total score means you have to add all the numbers, right? So first you write plus 25 and minus 5. Consider these two numbers. Then see the sign. Is the sign is same? No, different sign. Plus 25 minus 5, different sign, subtraction. Clear? So 25 minus 5 will get plus 20. Plus 20. Similarly, now consider minus 10 plus 15. Minus 10 plus 15 will get answer plus 5. Plus 5. The last one is plus 10 and as it is. Clear? So next step, add plus 20 plus 5 we get plus 25. Plus 25, next plus 10. So we get plus 35. So what is the total score of Jax at the end? That is 35. Total score is 35 marks. Clear? Yes. Thank you. Okay, next question, third one. See here. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Here, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by, means decreasing. Yeah, then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. 2 degrees Celsius is drop, means decreasing. Yeah. So then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Then what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? See first on Monday the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Monday the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then its temperature is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Tuesday what happens? The 2 degrees Celsius is drop, means decreasing. Clear? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Drop means minus 2 degrees Celsius. Clear? So first Monday the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Then what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So you have to find out the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Clear? First question. So one more question. On Wednesday, what happens on Wednesday? It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rises. Yeah, rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Then one more question. What was the temperature on this day? What was the temperature on this day? Clear? So question is, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So one more question. On Wednesday, what happened? It roses by 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature roses means increasing. Clear? It roses by 4 degrees Celsius. The question is, what was the temperature on this day? What was the temperature on this day? Clear? So now you have to apply solution. What is given in this question? Temperature on Monday. Temperature on Monday, it is a minus 5 degrees Celsius. Yeah? So minus 5 degrees Celsius. Next temperature on Tuesday dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So right? Temperature. So find out what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. So now temperature of Srinagar. Temperature on Tuesday. It is a drop 2 degrees Celsius, right? So you have to subtract minus 2 degrees Celsius. So now to write temperature on Tuesday. Drop by 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, 2 degrees Celsius. So what you have to do? Monday the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then again here on Tuesday what happens? The temperature will decrease. It's dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So we have to write minus 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 5 degrees Celsius is on Monday. Then Tuesday the temperature will drop by 2 degrees Celsius. So we have to minus 2 degrees Celsius. So see the sign minus, and here also minus, means same sign. Sign is same, right? So what we have to do? Addition. So minus minus, minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. So 5 plus 2 will get 7. Correct? So answer is minus 7 degree Celsius. Minus 7 degree Celsius. That is temperature on Tuesday. So what is the question? What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Therefore, temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is minus 7 degree Celsius. Clear? Already temperature is minus 5 degree Celsius on Monday. Then again the temperature is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So you are right minus 2 degrees Celsius. Rises means you are right plus. Temperature is rising means you are right plus 2 degree. But in the question it is given temperature is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So you are right minus 2 degree Celsius. Clear? So we get answer minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Answer will get minus 7 degrees Celsius. Clear? So next one more question is on Wednesday it goes by 4 degrees Celsius. Tuesday is now minus 7 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now you have to consider next on Wednesday what happens? Temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature is increasing, correct? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So now you have to find what was the temperature on this day. On this day means Wednesday. What was the temperature on this day? Means what was the temperature on Wednesday. So clear? In Tuesday, on Tuesday temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next on Wednesday what happens? Temperature will increase. Okay, rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So first you have to do minus 7 degrees Celsius. This is temperature on Tuesday. So what you have to do? Plus the temperature is increasing, right? Temperature is increasing. So you write plus 4 degree Celsius. Plus 4 degree Celsius. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 7 plus 4. Different sign, subtraction. 7 minus 4 we get answer 3 degree Celsius. So minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4 we get minus 3 degree Celsius. Yeah? Greater number sign is minus, correct? Greater number is 7. The sign is minus. So we get answer minus 3 degree Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degree Celsius. Clear? So this is the question. First you have to consider what is given in the question. It is temperature on Monday. It is minus 5 degree Celsius. Next temperature on Tuesday. So one hint is given. The temperature on Tuesday is dropped by 2 degree Celsius. So you have to write minus 2 degree Celsius. Clear? So minus 5 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius we get answer minus 7 degree Celsius. Next temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degree Celsius. So that is minus 7 degree. This is temperature on Tuesday. So plus 4 degree Celsius. Why plus? Because the temperature is rising or increasing. Clear? So you write plus 4 degree Celsius. Clear? Now minus plus, different sign, subtraction. So 7 minus 4 will get answer 3. So answer is minus 3 degree Celsius. Clear? Thank you. Okay, next question. See here. Fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. See the question. A plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating be above the submarine. See what happens? The submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level. So question is, what is the vertical distance between them? What is the vertical distance between them? So you have to find. See, this figure is given in the textbook. You have to draw like this. So say here plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter. Okay, height of the plane is given 5000 meter. So you can imagine this is a sea level. Okay, this is what? Sea level or ground level. So, okay, sea level. Okay, from above the sea level, plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter. 5000 meter. So this is the sea level. Imagine. So this you can consider here. This is the sea level. That is the initial point or origin. Okay. So here we consider 0. Okay. This is the sea level. Okay. Now see. Now below the sea level, below a sea level, it is given. See, below a sea level, submarine is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level. That is the distance is given minus 1200 meter. Why minus? Because this is below a sea level. Below the sea level. So the initial point is 0, right? So below a sea level, submarine is floating. Okay, at a distance of 1200 meter. Clear? 1200 meter. So that you would consider minus, negative, because below the sea level. So you write here minus, negative integer. Clear? So this above 0 we consider positive integer. Clear? Above the sea level, plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter. Above the sea level, this is sea level, you can consider 0. Here above the sea level, the distance is given, that is 5000 meter. The sign is plus. Why plus? Because above the sea level, you can consider above 0. Next 0, next you get plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Clear? So you have to consider here plus 5000 meter, positive integer. So next, the submarine is floating below the sea level. The distance is 1200 meter. So in question it is not mentioned minus or plus, right? So while seeing the figure, we can understand that this is below the sea level. Submarine is floating below the sea level, isn't it? So now we get sign is here minus 1200 meter. So plane is flying at height of 5000 meter and submarine is in the height of minus 1200 meter. Clear? So now what is the question? Question is what is the vertical distance between them? What is the vertical distance between them? So this is the vertical line, right? This is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. This is called vertical line. Clear? So now you have to find out the distance between plane and submarine. Clear? So plane and submarine. So that is the question. What is the vertical distance between them? So you will find the distance between plane and submarine. Clear? So distance you will find out. So first you will write solution. It is given height of the plane. So what is the height of plane? Height of the plane is plus 5000 meter. Plus 5000 meter. So why plus? Because that is above the sea level. Clear? So the plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. So plus 5000 meter. Next, depth of submarine. Yeah. Submarine is minus 1200 meter. Minus, why minus? Because submarine is under the sea level, right? That means below the sea level. Clear? So we can write minus 1200 meter. So question is, what is the distance between them? So what is the distance? Vertical distance between them. Therefore distance between plane and submarine is submarine is, so plane is plus 5000 meter, 5000 meter. Next consider, we have to find the distance, right? So we write a minus. You have to subtract 5000 meter minus 1200 meter. Clear? So now write distance between plane and submarine is a plus 5000 meter minus of minus 1200 meter. So why this minus? We are finding distance between a plane and submarine. Yeah. So we have to subtract plus 5000 meter from this. We have to subtract minus 1200 meter. Clear? So this is the distance from the sea level. It is minus 1200 meter, and above the sea level, that is distance from sea level to plane, that is 5000 meter, right? So now therefore distance between plane and submarine is plus 5000 meter minus of minus 1200 meter. So now see how to remove this bracket. You have to multiply, right? You get bracket in between two sign. You have to multiply this minus into minus. So minus into minus, minus into minus plus, correct? Minus into minus plus. Here you have to multiply the sign, multiply minus into minus, we get plus. Then here number is 1200 meter. Right? Yes, it is 1200 meter. Now we get the answer 5000 meter plus 1200 meter. So we get answer 6200 meter. 6200 meter. That is the distance between plane and submarine. Clear? So therefore distance between plane and submarine is 6200 meter. Clear? Thank you. Okay. See the next question. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account. Mohan deposits how many rupees? How much rupees? Rupees 2000. Rupees 2000 in his bank account. Okay. So he deposited rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642. Then he will withdraw how much money? See, he will withdraw rupees 1642 from it the next day. First he deposited 2000 rupees. In the next day he withdraws rupees 1642. Clear? 1642. So now the question is, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, withdrawal of amount is represented by negative integer. Why? Because money is withdrawn, means removed, means minus, correct? So they are represented by negative integer. Negative integer, minus, correct? So negative integer. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? Will you represent amount deposited? The amount deposited means the money is increasing, right? So what happens? He deposited 2000. Then he withdraws rupees 1642. From 2000 he withdraws how much? Rupees 1642. So that they are represented by negative integer. Withdrawal of money is represented by negative integer. So what is the question? Then how will you represent the amount deposited? How will you represent amount deposited? So what is the answer? The answer is the amount deposited will be represented by positive integer, right? The amount is depositing, then we will get the interest, right? So the money is increasing, so that will represent by positive integer. Clear? Withdrawal of the money is represented by negative integer. Then the question is, how will you represent the amount deposited? So will represent by positive integer. Clear? So one more question. Is find the balance in Mohan's account. So now after withdrawal of money, so what is the remaining money? So you will find out find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So first you have to write what is given in the question. Money amount, or you can write money deposited or amount deposited is rupees 2000, right? So rupees 2000 is deposited. In the next day, what happens? In the next day, he withdraws rupees 1642. Clear? So now amount withdraws. Okay? Withdraw how much? Rupees 1642. So this will represent by minus sign. Withdrawal represented by negatives, right? Minus sign. So we can write here minus 1642 rupees 1642. So we represent by sign plus. Here is plus, sign is here minus. Clear? So now we need to find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Clear? So now therefore the balance in Mohan's account. This is the balance in Mohan's account. First it was rupees 2000 deposited plus so how much you will withdraw? You will withdraw minus 1200. So this now you have to find the balance money. Clear? So direct you can subtract 2000 minus 1642. So write like this. Balance in Mohan's account is rupees 2000 plus minus 1200. Clear? Minus 1200. So this is the balance in the account. So now rupees 2000. Now you remove this bracket. So plus into minus we get minus, correct? Minus. So 1200 you have to subtract. From 2000 you have to subtract 1200. So what is the answer? 2000 minus, from 2000 you have to subtract 1642. So we get answer 0 minus 2 is not possible, right? So borrow, we get 10 minus 2 we get 8. Then here remaining 9 minus 4 that is 5. So here 9 remaining, 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So what is remaining here? 0. So now the balance in Mohan's account is rupees 358. Rupees 358. Clear? So this is the answer. First you write account. So the amount deposited in Mohan's banks, that is rupees 2000. Then in the next day what happens? You will withdraw money rupees 1642. Clear? Then what is the remaining amount? Means balance in Mohan's account is rupees 358. So this is the procedure. First you write rupees 2000 plus considering rupees 2000 plus minus 1000. So here you would be 1200, right? So that answer is 1642. Clear? 1642. If you subtract this, you get 3058. Means first multiply these two. Plus into minus will get minus. Here plus into minus will get minus. Or direct also you can write just 2000 minus from 2000 you have to subtract 1642. Here you can write minus 2000 minus 1642 we get answer 358. So clear? So this is the final answer, rupees 358. Thank you. Okay, see here next question. Sixth question. Rita goes 20 km towards east Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. Clear? Rita, she travels 20 kilometers towards east. Clear? East direction. 20 kilometers towards east from a point A. See, you can imagine now from a point A, Rita goes 20 kilometers towards the east direction. Clear? So from point A to the point B. Clear? So now it is given here in this. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. To the point B. Clear? Now next from B she moves 30 kilometers from point B. Imagine our point is here. The B point is here. So from a point B she moves 30 kilometers towards west. 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. Along the same road. First she will travel A to B. Clear? The direction from A to B. This is the east side, and here it is the west side. Clear? So now Rita goes 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer from point A to B. Clear? So from here to here it is a 20 kilometer. She will travel in the direction of east. Clear? East direction like this. 20 kilometer from A to B. Clear? From A to B. Next, from a point B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west. So again, she will travel 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers from a point B to west direction. Clear? So from B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. In the same road, she will travel from B to west direction. Clear? How many kilometer? 30 kilometer. So now question: if the distance towards east is represented by, if the distance towards east, distance towards A, east. See, this is the initial position. Yeah, this is A, point A. From A to B, she is traveling from A to B in the east direction. Clear? So that is, if the distance between east is represented by positive integer. So that is represented by positive integer. So east direction is represented by positive integer. Then what is the question now? Then how will you represent? The distance traveled towards west? Then how will you represent distance traveled towards the west? So what is the answer? We can represent distance traveled towards west is negative integer, correct? We can represent by negative integer. Why? Because see, here from A to east direction, distance between A to B represented by positive integer. So here, if the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? That is opposite, right? So it is a minus, negative integer. So answer is we will represent the distance traveled towards west is by negative integer. Clear? So one more question: by which integer will you represent our final position from A? By which integer will you represent our final position from A? So that we don't know. First she will travel from point A to point B. Clear? That is in the direction of east, correct? So east direction means here plus 20 kilometer. From A to B distance is plus 20 kilometer. Now next again she will travel from a point B to west direction. From point, now she will reach from A to B. She is here. Now you can imagine Ritu is in the position B. It's in the point B. Clear? Now again in the same road she will travel west direction. The distance is, much distance which she will travel, that is 30 kilometer. So first from point A to B she will travel 20 kilometer. Clear? Similarly next from B to west direction she will travel minus because this will represent by negative integer, right? West direction, distance traveled towards west is represented by negative integer. Clear? So that will represent minus sign. So minus integer, negative integer. So we will write here minus 30 kilometer. So here A to B, she is traveling first. She will travel to east direction. So plus 20 kilometer. Then again from point B to west direction. So we will represent by negative integer. So that is minus 30 kilometer. Minus 30 kilometer. Now we have to find her final position. Where she will reach. First 20 kilometer towards east. Then again 30 kilometer towards west. Clear? So now question is, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? So therefore, you can say the final position from A. Final position of Ritu from A is final position of Ritu from A. So we can consider first she will travel 20 kilometer towards the east, correct? So now again she will travel B to west direction, that will represent by negative integer. So that is minus 30 kilometer. Understood? Here is the plus 20 because traveling towards east direction, correct? That we consider positive, and again she travels 30 kilometers towards the west direction. So we consider minus. So now what is our final position? So now we have to do the calculation. See, plus 20 minus 30 plus 20 minus 30. See the sign, different sign, subtraction. So 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20. Answer is the 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer. So what is the answer? 10 kilometers. See the sign, minus 30 and plus 20. In this greater number is 30. That sign is a minus. Clear? So what is the answer? Minus 10 degree. Sorry, minus 10 kilometer. So her final position from A is negative integer. So minus 10 kilometer, that will we can see in negative integer, right? So minus 10 kilometer may be here. So that is the negative integer. So therefore the answer is, the question is why? So by which integer will you represent her final position from A? You represent her final position from A by negative integer, because we got answer 10 kilometer, minus 10 kilometer. So represent by negative integers. Clear? Yes. Thank you.